Yeah, 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 yeah. Riding that wood with my bitch when I drive it, she ride it, I go home and beat it so violent. Count up that counter while she run my water.
What's up? Papa up in the house, and we have reached 2,500 subscribers. Congratulations to you guys, and congratulations to PoppaT. Yeah, man. So the first place is going to be a Slam Panda bass knob with 6-foot runs of RCA Stinger cable. This bass knob consists of a button on the side here, and it lights up, potentiometer, and this is a sweet bass knob. Second place will be some dual amp inputs. These right here. Very nice. That's going to be to the second place in the drawing. Finally, third place will be the sticker package. The sticker package is going to look like this one. Get that on camera. My signature sticker. And then this one. I just demoed. So guys, I appreciate everybody's subscription to the channel. Make sure that you continue in the comment, share my videos, like my videos, and I appreciate each and every one of you guys. The next goal is 5,000 subscribers on the channel, and we might do something else then. But until then, make sure that you comment down in the video. Be publicly subscribed. You have to be subscribed for at least 1 week. I will do the giveaway in about a week and a half. 2 weeks tops. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you are publicly subscribed. Make sure that you comment in this video. I will be selecting a winner out of this video here from the comments. 1 comment per person, please. Only participate if you want the giveaways, okay? So don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, and shoot, man. That's it. Peace out.